Hello students, welcome to class 7th maths on my YouTube channel. Now let us begin practice set 42 on textbook page number 77. Question number first, complete the table below. First one, radius is 7 centimeter. You have to find diameter and circumference. R stands for radius, D stands for diameter and C stands for circumference. Now let us start the sums. First you have to find diameter. Diameter formula is 2 multiplied by radius. Diameter is equal to 2 into 7. Radius is equal 7 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay. Circumference is 2 pi r. Value of pi will be taken as 22 upon 7. This 2 pi r you have to write in multiplication form when you are finding the circumference. Because this 2 pi r which is there, you don't have any sign. So write it in multiplication form. Circumference is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7. When you divide 7 by 7, quotient is getting 1. So 7 get cancelled. So now multiply 2 into 22, this number. 22 twos are 44 centimeter. Therefore circumference is equal to 44 centimeter. Next one, radius is question mark, diameter is 28 centimeter and circumference is question mark. You have to find radius and circumference. Radius formula is diameter upon 2, that is 28 divided by 2, because diameter is given 28 centimeter. Radius formula is diameter divided by 2. You have to divide 28 by 2. Answer is getting 14 centimeter. Radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Now find the circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. Value of pi will be 22 upon 7. You always have to substitute the value of pi 22 upon 7 and then write in multiplication form when you are finding the circumference after writing the formula. Circumference is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 14. 7 and 14, here table is going 7 table of 14 number. 7 ones are 7 twos are. Okay. Now start multiplying. First this number and then this. 22 twos are 44. 44 twos are multiply. Answer is getting 88. Look here. I am multiplying here. Okay. Therefore circumference is equal to 88 centimeter. Next, third one. Radius is question mark, diameter is question mark, circumference is 616 centimeter. You have to find radius and diameter. First you have to find radius. Okay. Use the circumference formula when you find the radius. Circumference is 2 pi r. Value of pi will be 22 upon 7. Circumference what is given here? In circumference place you have to write 616. 616 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Radius you have to find. Okay. Now when you find the radius, r is there here, take it on left side. Okay. Radius is equal to 616 into 7. upon 2 into 22. How you are doing here? By using the cross multiplication method. 616 into 7, you have to take it on numerator. 2 into 22, when you cross multiply here, it goes on denominator. Okay, this is the cross multiplication method. When you find radius and diameter, you have to use cross multiplication method. Okay, when you find circumference, you don't have to use cross multiplication method. Now divide this 616 upon 2. 2 3s are 6. One digit you have to bring it down. 1 is smaller than 2. Okay, 2 zeros are 0. Then 6 you have to bring it down. You have to bring one digit down when you divide. 2 8s are 16. So remainder is getting 0. So answer is getting 308. Quotient. Okay, look here, quotient I am getting 308. Now 2, these 2 ones are 2 308s are. Okay, radius is equal to 308 into 7 upon 22. Now you have to divide 308 by 22. It is going. 308, 22 ones are 22. Because 22 twos are 44 coming. Okay, smaller number you have to take, 22 ones are 22. Now 30 minus 22, subtract it. Answer is getting 8. Now this 8 you have to bring down. 22 fours are, when you do, getting 88. Okay, now when I cancel this quotient, what I got? 14. When I do cancel here, 22 ones are 22, 14s are. Okay, radius is equal to 14 sevens are. 14 sevens are how much? 98. Radius is equal to 98 centimeter. You have to find diameter. Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Okay, that is diameter is equal to 2 into 98. Radius how much you got here? 98 centimeter. Now 2 into 98 you have to do. Multiply this 98 into 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. Okay. Therefore, diameter is equal to 196 centimeter. Now we'll do fourth one. Again you have to find radius and diameter. Question mark. Circumference is equal to 72.6 centimeter. First, which you have to find, you have to do that. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Value of pi is 22 upon 7. Circumference, what is there? In place of circumference, you have to write there only place that number. Circumference is 72.6 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Again you have to find the radius first. Radius, take it on left side. Radius is equal to 72.6 into 7 upon 2 into 22. In cross multiplication method, 72.6 into 7, take it on numerator, and 2 into 22, it goes on denominator according to cross multiplication method. Okay. Now 72.6 into 7 upon 2 into 22, you have to divide 72.6 upon 22. 72.6 upon 22. 22 3s are 66, because 22 4s are 88 is coming. 88 is greater than 72. 72 minus 66, do it. Subtraction. Answer is getting 6. Here decimal point is there here. So decimal point you have to write that only place, and this 6 you have to bring down. 22 3s are 66. Remainder is getting 0. So 22 1s are 22. 3.3s are. Okay. Now multiply 3.3 into 7. 3.3 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Plus 2, 23. Okay. Here decimal point is there over here. So one decimal place is there. So before one digit will come decimal point over here. So answer is getting 23.1. The radius is equal to 23.1 upon 2. Divide it. 23.1 by divide by 2. 2 1s are 2. One digit you have to bring it down. Okay. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Here decimal point is there. Put decimal point on quotient place. 1 you have to bring it down. 2 5s are 10. Again 1 remain. So 0 you have to bring it down. 0 you have to take it. So 0 you have to bring it down. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 10 getting 0. Okay. So radius is equal to 11.55 centimeter. That is 11.55 centimeter. After decimal point it will be read as 55. Okay. Now find diameter. Diameter formula is 2 multiplied by radius. Diameter is equal to 2 into 11.55. Therefore diameter is equal to 23.1 centimeter. How? When you multiply 11.55 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 1s are 2. Here 2 decimal place is there, because decimal point is there here. So before 2 decimal place will come here, decimal point before 2 digit. Okay. Answer is 23.1. 23.10 means 0 is not having value after decimal point last digit. So it becomes 23.1. Now I'll do question number 2. one sum will do, third and fourth question will do later on. If the circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter, find its radius. Circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter is already given. Find the radius. So circumference formula you have to use of radius. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Value of pi will be 22/7. You have to substitute the value of pi always 22/7 and write in multiplication form. Circumference, what is given, in place of circumference only you have to write number. Radius you have to find. Okay. So you have to use cross multiplication method when you find radius. Take radius on left side. Radius is equal to 176 into 7 upon 2 into 22 according to cross multiplication method. Okay. 176 divided by 22 you do. 176 divided by 22. 22 8s are will go. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17. So 22 8s are 176. Okay. 22 1s are 22 8s are. Radius is equal to 8 into 7 upon 2. 2 and 8 table is going. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Okay. Now 4 into 7 you have to do. You have to multiply 4 into 7. How much is getting? 4 7s are how much? 28. Therefore radius is equal to 28 centimeter. Next, question number 3rd. The radius of a circular garden is 56 meter. What would it cost to put a 4-round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? Okay, radius is given. If radius of a circular garden is 56 meter, this is the garden, okay, and this is the radius. So radius of a circular garden is 56 meter given. You have to find the circumference. So you have to write the statement. Radius of a circular garden is 56 meter. Circumference of a circular garden is 2 pi r. Value of pi will be 22/7. Circumference is equal to 2 into 22/7 into 56. Okay. 7 1s are 7 8s are. Table which is going here, 7 table here, denominator. You can do the cancellation method. 2 into 22 multiply 44. 44 into 8 you do. 44 into 8. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32 plus 3 35. So circumference I got 352 meter. Therefore circumference is equal to 352 meter. Now same question you have to read next sentence. What would it cost to put a 4-round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? So here you have to find circumference of 4 rounds of fencing. Here answer which you got here, circumference here 352 meter. You got length of the 1 round of fencing is equal to circumference of a circle. You have to find length of 4 rounds of fencing. When you find more than 1, you have to multiply 352 into 4. Okay. So statement you have to write. Length of one round of fencing a circular garden is 352 meter. Length of 4 rounds of fencing a circular garden is 4 into 352. Multiply 352 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 22 carrier of 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14. So I am getting 1408 answer is equal to 1408 meter. Now you have to find cost. So next statement will be cost of 1 meter of fencing a circular garden is 40 rupees. Per meter means 1 meter. Okay. Cost of 1 meter of fencing a circular garden is 40 rupees given. Now answer which you got of length of 4 rounds of fencing a circular garden 1408 meter. You have to find it cost of it of that meter more than 1. Okay. Answer which you got of length of 4 rounds of fencing a circular garden means circumference of 4 rounds of fencing which you multiplied 352 into 4. You got 1408 meter. So you have to find it cost of 1408 meter of fencing a circular garden is equal to 1408 into 40. When you multiply these two, answer is getting 56,320 rupees. How you are getting 56,320 rupees? Multiply here if you don't know. Okay, I will multiply. Zero eight, any number multiply by 0 is 0. 1 0 you have to bring down when you multiply next number. 4 8s are 32. 3 you have to bring up. 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. So I am getting 56,320. Answer is 56,320 rupees. Now we will do last sum. The wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter of 1.4 meter. How many rotations will the wheel complete as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer? Look at this. The wheel of a bullock cart diameter is 1.4 meter. Okay. You have to find the total number of rotations the wheel complete as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer. This you have to find last. First you have to understand this much question. Diameter is given. If diameter is given of the wheel of a bullock cart, circumference of a circle you have to find of diameter formula. Diameter of the wheel of a bullock cart is 1.4 meter. Circumference of a circle is pi d. Circumference is equal to 22 upon 7 into 1.4. Now divide this 1.4 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 0.2s are. How it came as 0.2, I will show you. When you divide 1.4 by 7 here, 1 is smaller than 7. So it is not going. So you have to take 7 zeros are 0. Decimal point is there. 4 you have to bring down. 7 2s are 14. So quotient is getting 0.2. So remainder is 0. Okay. Now 22 into 0.2 you do. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 0 you have to bring down, 0 2s are 0, 0 2s are 0. Now add this, 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 0 is 4. 22 into 0 0.2, one decimal place is there. Before one digit will come decimal point over here. So answer is getting 4.4. Circumference is equal to 22 into 0 0.2 is circumference is equal to 4.4 meter. Okay. Now distance is given 1.1 kilometer. Kilometer you have to convert into meter. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter formula. Distance is 1.1 kilometer. This 1.1 into 1000 when you multiply, answer is getting 1100 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. When you multiply 1.1 into 1000, it will move after 3 digit decimal point and it become 1100 meter. Okay. Now you have to find how many rotations will the wheel complete as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer. Total number of rotations is equal to distance upon circumference. That will be the formula. You have to find how much number of rotations will the wheel complete. Total number of rotations is equal to distance upon circumference. That is, distance is 1100 when you convert kilometer to meter. Circumference I got 4.4 meter after finding the circumference of a circle of diameter. So divide it now. 1100 upon 4.4 multiply by 10 multiply by 10. Both on numerator and denominator. Multiply by 10. Why? Because here 4.4 one decimal point is there. One decimal place is there. So that's why you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. So 1100 into 10, answer is getting 11,000. 1100 once are 1100. Here 1 0 you have to add here. So it becomes 11,000. This is simple multiplication. Now 4.4 into 10, do your multiplication. Answer is getting 44. 4.4 into 10 I am doing here. 0 4s are 0, 0 4s are 0. 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1 4s are 4, sorry. 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. Here nothing is there, take 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. So 4.4 into 10, one decimal point is there. Before one digit you have to put decimal point. Answer is getting 44. So answer is getting 11,000 upon 44. Answer is getting 250 rotation. Why? I divide here. 44 twos are 88. 10 minus 8. Here also 10 become. 10 minus 8 is 2. 1 minus 8 is not going. Here 1 less become. When you starting cancellation do from 0. 10 minus 8 is 2. So 44. 5s are when you do. 5 4s are 20. 2 carry over of 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So 44 5s are 220. 220 minus 220 is 0. Now this 0 you have to bring it down. 44 zeros are 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay. So quotient I am getting 250 rotations. Therefore, a wheel completes 250 rotations to cover a distance of 1.1 1 kilometer. If you like this video, please give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you.